Hi, my name is Brad Martin. I'm going to sing a song that deals with a simple question. How much value do we place on truth and honesty? This is a question that I feel very strongly about. As I look around, I see members of all political parties, both left and right, and activists for a wide variety of causes who appear to deliberately distort the truth, to omit certain important facts, to greatly exaggerate others, or to just simply lie in attempt to gain political advantage. I find this lack of respect for the truth very distressing, and so I wrote this song, and it goes like this. A Prius and a pickup truck, each racing down a road. No time to lose to save the world that each had come to know. As dark descends each round a bend, the shadows flying by. To think about what happened next, I shut my eyes and sigh. In the headlights dim, a flashing glimpse, a girl not yet a teen. Her arms held high and eyes so wide, just desperate to be seen. A girl of perfect innocence, so delicate and pure. Her dress was red, no blue they claim, but neither can be sure. Both heard the sudden sickening thud, the lurch they both could feel. Each driver's heart was pounding as they gripped the steering wheel. But no, each thought, I cannot stop. You see, I'm heaven sent. I'll save the world, that's surely worth this sad but small event. In truth, she's left there lying, body seized by pain and fear. Help me, please, she's crying, but there's no one round to hear. Please stop, she could be dying. Is it really such a chore? Doesn't anybody care about the truth here anymore? The Prius and the pickup truck race home towards their beds. The image of that little girl still burning in their heads. An image of such purity, each driver's heart now keen to share with all their friends this precious glimpse truth they've seen. At dawn's first light, they call their friends, who quickly gather round. The Prius and the pickup truck both stand before a crowd. They think this piece of truth that I have seen could really help my cause. But as they start to tell the tale, one worry gives them pause. This simple piece of truth, it just won't be enough, I fear, to spur my friends to action or to make them clap and cheer. I need to make a few small changes first before this tale I tell. Thus begins the steep descent from heaven into hell. In truth, she's still there lying, tears and blood now wet her hair, while the Prius and the pickup truck back home don't seem to care. They're willing to disfigure her, all doubt they'll just ignore. Doesn't anybody care about the truth here anymore? They start by slicing off the parts of truth that just don't fit with the narrative they're trying to sell. Some facts they just omit. You see, the truth is often too complex to quickly grasp in full, and so they simplify their message just to give it stronger pull. Next, they take those parts of truth that nicely fit their point of view, and they inflate them up to grotesque size, knowing as they do that if within a listener's heart they can instill shock, fear, or rage, they will recruit another soldier for the war they want to wage. And soon they simply make things up, no truth found there at all, but their stories prove effective, many thousands heed the call. All lies you say, so what? My great success you can't ignore. The faithful here believe it's true, just listen to them roar. In truth, she's still there lying, crying softly in the mud, while the Prius and the pickup truck just look on with a shrug. She's an object they misuse and then discard upon the floor. Doesn't anybody care about the truth here anymore? The Prius and the pickup, each still trying to save the world, do catch other passing glimpses of that precious little girl. But needing to exploit the truth, they clench their teeth, and then the Prius and the pickup truck drive over her again. Look at what you're doing, I cry out in disbelief, but the Prius and the pickup both retort, don't be naive. Our treasured things are threatened, we're at war here, don't you see? We'll gladly sacrifice the truth to hurt our enemy. You're right about one thing I say, although it gives me pain. Lying does work very well for your own short-term gain, but with every reckless lie you tell, of late there's been a flood. The whole of our society sinks deeper in the mud. In truth, she's now there lying, mangled body smeared with gore. Seems all this careless lying's brought her right to heaven's door. They drove away while she was dying, Yes, this virtue, just a bore. Doesn't anybody care about the truth here anymore? Still each driver holds on tightly to the piece of truth he knows. Each has seen her from a viewpoint where the other seldom goes. If somehow they might sit and talk without need to compete, each might gain a picture of the truth that's more complete. But the Prius and the pickup truck each other now despise, their hearts so filled with hatred through belief in their own lies. They don't trust their evil enemy, all talking they'll forgo, as they can't stand to see each other's face, much less to say hello. And truth, precious truth, what have we done to you? I fear for a world, I mourn for a world where the truth holds no more value than a carcass lying bloody by the road, where the truth holds no more value than a carcass lying bloody by the road.